In this quick video, I'll be showing you how you can get Brightcore. This is a rare element found inside of caves in the desert biome. You'll need to get yourself preferably 1 or 2 cool-headed charms and or a couple of snowberry shakes so you can survive down here. You'll probably also need lots of food if you don't have just quite enough protection against the heat, as you'll take passive damage over time. When you get down here, make sure that you look around the lava areas and really low down by lava for Brightcore, as that's where it spawned. It's a little bit more orange/yellow than ruby, and it's easy to tell apart from the rest of it. You simply need to look around for these kinds of rocks. They're a little bit more orange than the ruby, and when we break these in, I think, 10 or 11 hits, we'll get Brightcore. You'd know that they're Brightcore as they're pretty much glowing compared to ruby, and they're much closer to lava. We'll need tons of this later on, so make sure you pick up as much as possible while you're down here. Just a quick note, if things fall in lava, they don't exactly disappear, they'll just sort of sit there. And now that we have some Brightcore, you'll see a new recipe is unlocked. If we open up our crafting, head to utility, you'll see we now have a metal smelter. We need 3 blast core, 15 Brightcore, and 35 obsidian slabs. Pretty cool. But anyways, now you know how to get Brightcore. So hopefully you found this video useful. Thank you for watching. My name's been Troubleshoot, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao.